Hey everybody, welcome back to Maddog's Munchie Menagerie here on the Super Deluxe Fun Time Variety Hour. I'm your host, Maddog, and today we are going to be reviewing Arby's.
Arby's, we have the meat.
So I got a special request to check out the Arby's Buttermilk Chicken Sandwich. Now they have 3 different kinds, and today I went with the buffalo.
Arby's has put a lot of effort into their new chicken.
Get this bad boy opened up here. Look at this delightful, messy looking sandwich. Yes, sir. Oh, I forgot to tell them no lettuce. Oh well. But it's got plenty of ranch, got the hot sauce on it, nice looking bun. Let's dig into this bad boy and see what the Arby's has got. Wow. That is just a flavor explosion. Oh my Lord. Now, I'm not really big on buffalo wings, but this, holy cow. Chicken is nice and tender, moist, the bun's great, the sauce is phenomenal. I mean, it just explodes in your mouth. It's everything that you want your buffalo chicken to be. It's just wow. Let me get into this one more time. Holy cow. That is beyond good. I mean, check it out, guys. There's your chicken. Big piece of chicken too. Your bun, the lettuce, the sauce. Holy cow. Whew. There's the spice kicking in. It's on the messy side, but hey, no big deal to me. So yeah, price, a little on the expensive side, but for the meal, it's like $7-8 bucks. Big piece of chicken. The taste is phenomenal. Here's the first. I'm gonna have to give this 5 fat kids. It is that good. Holy cow. So yeah, get out there to Arby's. The new Buttermilk Chicken Buffalo Sandwich. And I'm only assuming the other 2 are just as good. So, on that note, I'm going to finish this bad beast. So I'm going to send it back to you, everybody at the studio. Till next time on Maddog's Munchie Menagerie. Oh, I almost forgot. If there's something that you would like me to review in the future, hit me up on all the social media that you see popping up on your screen, and I will see what I can do. Till then, I'm going to send it back to everybody at the studio. Till then,